whatever shops or institutions are allowed, they should follow the guidelines issued by the Government of India or Government of Andhra Pradesh regarding like social distancing. They should maintain social distancing, and besides this, that the shopkeepers, when they are sitting on the shop, they should wear the mask, keep sanitizers in their shop. If they don't have sanitizer, they should put some bucket and shops so that people will clean their hands and purchase. Like that, there are instructions already issued. They should follow scrupulously. Besides this, certain things I want to bring in your notice. One is like hospitals. Now other hospitals are functioning other than this coronavirus or COVID cases. They are treating people. So they should follow certain things, that their entire staff should use gloves and mask. Then they should use on the entry gate itself sanitizer. Whoever is coming should use the sanitizer. Then they should, most of the hospitals have CCTV camera. They should, if they don't have, they should install CCTV camera and should capture the all movement of the autos or any other vehicles, private vehicles. We want that this should be covered, and it should be next 30 days backup should be kept, so that if any contact tracing is required, it will be helpful. Then another thing is that OPD patients are coming large number, so that record should be maintained. And not only that, any vehicles which is entering in the hospital, like vehicles and their records and driver's name, number, all these things they should keep, so that proper mechanism can be developed and we can keep watch over them. Another thing, social distancing they should maintain at OPD, because large number of patients are going and their sitting arrangements are not sufficient. If the outside of OPD there is no sufficient place, they should make arrangement outside of their premises, so that people will not go nearer to them, because most of the people who are suffering with some disease are going to hospital. The possibilities are very high that other people may get contact. So they should maintain pakka social distancing. These things we will take from their CC camera. And similar way that other like industries, already we have issued instruction last time. Similar way, when the laborer and any other fellow is going inside, it should be done thermal screening. And hospital also they should do each and every person thermal screen on the gate itself. Similar way, industries also they should follow these instructions. Social distancing they have to maintain. Then thermal screening. And if somebody is found with some symptoms in industry, he should be separated and sent to the hospital. It's a responsibility of the industry department. Then regarding this door delivery system or courier services, where also the people who are going to do door delivery service, they should wear the mask as well as gloves. The colony shops are going to be open. It's a duty of the shop owner that he should maintain social distancing. He should not allow the people to sit there. Generally, this is the tendency. Large number of local people will sit there, shops and chit chat. Such things, if they will not follow the social distance, we will take action against them. And signboards or something like that. Without mask, we will not give things, and without mask, proper sanitization, we will not allow. Like that, they should take all precautions. It's only that whatever guidelines have been issued by the Government of Andhra Pradesh Health Department, we have to follow scrupulously. And if somebody will deviate, definitely we will take action. Our mobile teams, if somebody is violating, definitely we will seize the shop and we will book the cases against those people. Not only shopkeepers, the persons who are violating, who are going there for purchasing and all, we will take action. Another thing, that employee who are going for jobs and all, they should carry their identity cards and some identity cards or Aadhaar card, whatever. And other people who are not going for government offices and moving for some essential commodities, should carry at least some identity, like Aadhaar cards or any other card, so that his identity can be established if we catch some violations and all this. So they should guidelines, so that there will be a proper mechanism to keep watch over the people. Then other public places like park and all, people are not allowed to move where large number of gathering, like beach roads and all, morning walks and all. These things are not allowed because large gatherings and all are banned by the this guidelines. So people should only come out from homes when there is a need.